Howdy howdy guys, and welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. So we are on the generator building. Voila, there it is. So yes sirree. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool? We got volume knobs here. We got, look at that Cruiserman Inventions pen. Thank you Cuppy, for making these for me. That is cool. I have a cup. And I also have stickers. But what we have in front of us now, guys, is a tribute. It's a machine. It's a free energy machine. Right? And this is a tribute to Gerard Morins. Okay, guys? And I wish he was actually on YouTube a lot more, because I love all of his videos. I watched, I think, all of them. And, so here we go, guys. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of this free energy machine. And by the way, thank you for everybody's comments, and big thank you to Gerard Morins as well for all your time and all your effort. And a lot of people do follow you, buddy, I tell you. And well, I'm one of them. I'm Cruiserman, and as you know, I also do a lot of rewiring of washing machine motors too. So let's lift the case off this beautiful lid that I just made. Now I just spent all of today, guys, on this. Let's flick it on. I will get a voltmeter on here, but this is just to show you how far. Ooh. Woohoo! We got the 24 volt controller in there at 40 amps, but we got two batteries down here. Two 12 volt batteries like that, right? But they're only 7 amp hour ones. This is a 9 amp hour one, 12 volt one. But two of those down in the box. The whole box is only about roughly 5 kgs in weight. So the batteries are down there. We have a meter here. We have the speed controller hooked up to the motor, and the motor is hooked up to that shaft, which turns this washing machine water pump motor. And then out of here is thicker wires coming to, round the back, is a plug. See? Now, now what we're going to do, very quickly, because I don't want to run out of battery juice on my meter here, on my, my tablet. So I'm going to get the meter, and I'm going to see if we can variate the actual volts coming out of this thing now. So we'll put it on, flick it on, that back, hook up our cables. Now the brown wire is your positive, right there. Now don't go stripping these out and putting them in the wall, because you will blow yourself up. This is a generator, this is different. Okay guys, so I don't condone that, alright? So here we go. Now I'm going to flick that volume around. Here we go. Already just on a little trickle. We're at, wow, 174 volts. Up a little bit more. You can see that, guys? Oh, shit. Oh, okay, that's too much. That's 400 and something. Okay, I'm looking for, because the reason I made this is for a charger for my bike. So, okay, let's get it down. Look at that! There it is. I'm looking for 96. Here we go. 98? 98. Okay, now that's AC current until I put the bridge rectifier, which I gotta rebuild one of these, and put that on the end of that. Okay, so look at that. That's just idling away. Just idling away, guys. That will last for ages. And now I'm going to put this box on my bike, right? On my e-bike. Have that on the platform and charge up all of those batteries down there. So, look at that. That's just, it's not even doing anything. Okay, guys, I got to end this film before I get shut off. But anyways, guys, I will be back with another video coming up soon, guys. Woo! That is awesome. We're going to run some stuff, guys. Stay tuned. Cruiserman out, guys. Thanks for watching. Cool, guys. See you in the next video.